Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our 86 Grand National. It's a one-owner car with 56,000 original miles. That is documented. With the CARFAX, showing no accidents, only 56,000 miles, and only one owner. This car is double nut slick. It runs excellent. It will get up and boogie. It has the bug eye lights. It has GNX wheels. It is gut slick paint that looks amazing. Amazing interior, power seats, power windows, power locks. Spoon custom interior tubular suspension. All original unrestored. Has been painted. TTops. Just brand new. Nice. Inside and out. Driver's power seat. It works excellent. Listen to that exhaust. Front and rear sway bars. Killer car. Here is the 56,000 miles. 56204. Your gauges work. AM FM stereo. Electronic climate control. Add-on gauges that look great. Really nice. Dash setup. Got your speakers. Everything. Like a brand new car. Is unbelievable. How slick it is, how nice it is, how straight this car is. It's like a mirror. The car has spent its life being pampered and cared for, and probably driven the wheels off of. Thank you for looking. Y'all have a blessed day. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks. Y'all be safe.